Hello everyone, this is English for Ethiopia for grade 9. ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች? ይህ የዘጠነኛ ክፍል የእንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ነው። ዩኒት 5 horticulture. This is video 1. Before we highlight the general introduction of Unit 5, that's the horticulture, what do you remember about the previous video of that is Unit 4, Video 2? What do you remember? What was the main target of the video? እንግዲህ ባለፈው ትምህርታችን ተማሪዎች ስለ ኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ ተማምረናል። በተለይ ኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ ታይፕ 1 and zero conditional sentences, that was our main concern. To remind you, zero conditional tell us about fact, and both sides are simple present tense and simple present tense in the conditional sentence type 1 remains in the if clause, and the main clause part of the sentence we use simple future. That was the highlights of the previous video, that is video of Unit 4. What do you know about horticulture students? Horticulture ሲባል ሰምታችሁ ታውቃላችሁ? መልካም ተማሪዎች። Horticulture. This is Unit 5, Video 1. Horticulture, it is the planting plants for market purpose. ለገበያ አቅርቦት የሚውሉ ፕላንቶችን like flowers መትከል ነው። So horticulture እንለዋለን። We'll see in detail anyways. Learning outcomes. What do you expect from this unit? Before we come to subtopic of the unit, let's see what is the general outcomes. At the end of this unit, learners are expected to, but the unit የምታውቋቸው listen to a variety of texts with medium level understanding and transfer meaning. ማንበብ እዚህ ጋር listening practice. You're gonna practice listening. በዚህ ዩኒት እንግዲህ listening አልፎ አልፎ ፕራክቲስ ልናደርግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። በዚህ ዩኒት you will have listening text. Interact in English in a varied communication situation with a comprehensible grammar. Comprehensible grammar ይኖረናል ማለት ነው as usual. Next one is realize the importance of horticulture for balanced diet. Realize the importance of horticulture. የተመጣጠነ የምግብ መመጣጠንን የሚያሳዩ ምንባቦች አሉ። እነሱን recommend the use of horticulture in their surroundings. What are the purposes? ጥቅማቸው ምንድን ነው የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። Get meaning of words using context clues. Please don't forget to record vocabularies in each unit. From words, form words using suffixes. ባለፈ prefix አይተናል። በዚህ ነው ደግሞ ስለ suffix እንማራለን ተማሪዎች። Extend their vocabulary using phrasal verbs. You will see phrasal verbs again and again. Here is the use of phrasal verb. Use conditional sentence type 2 and type 3 እነሱን እንማራለን ማለት ነው። Construct conditional type 2 and type 3 sentences. You can construct with your own. በራሳችሁ construct ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። Participating conversational practices, and then you're going to practice report writing. This is our focus in this unit. So Unit 5, here is the video 1 of Unit 5 listening skills. Ethiopia, diversifying export earners via horticulture sector, competitiveness. Listening. This is our title or topic. Ethiopia, diversifying the export earners via horticulture sector, competitiveness. This is our listening topic. So what do you expect from the listening text, students? Listening ምን ትጠብቃላችሁ? What is your expectation? We'll see. This is Ethiopia, rural urban agriculture in Addis Ababa. በአዲስ አበባ የሚገኝ ሮዝ ወይም የአበባ እርሻ ልማት ነው ማለት ነው። ይህን እንደምታዩት እንግዲህ you can see a smiling girl here in the middle of the agriculture in the middle of the rose ይህንን እናያለን። Activity 5.1. Before you listen to the listening text, look at the pictures above and answer the following questions. What do you know about agriculture? What's agriculture? What do you know about it? ስለ agriculture ምን ታውቁት ነገር አለ? Can you say something about it? Can you discuss with your friends? Good job. Almost 80% of the community in Ethiopia are living in a rural area, and agriculture is common here in Ethiopia. So you can say a lot about it. Do you know the name of vegetables shown in above? Discuss with your partner. ዲጋ ያሉትን ለምሳሌ ዲጋ ልጅቷ ያዘችዋለ፣ ዲጋ ደግሞ የምታዩት ነገር አለ። ወደ ኔም ምንድን ነው? ምን ይመስላችኋል? ምናልባት ቴክስት ካላችሁ ዙም አድርጋችሁ ልታዩት ትችላላችሁ። እናንተ ምንድን ነው? ወዲ ገስ ይሄንን እንግዲህ ምንድን ነው ስሙ? ሶ ዩ ካን ገስ ዲስ ገስ በት ሜክ ኢት ፕሮፌሽናል ገስ። Do you have experience in agriculture? Share your experience with your patron if you have about the agricultural sector stated below you or your parent is involved with. Gardening ሊሆን ይችላል፣ horticulture, animal farming, cash crop farming, beekeeping ወይም ደግሞ የንብ ማነብ ስራ ወይም ንብ የመንከባከብ ስራ፣ crop farming, cash crop የምንላቸው አሉ። እነዚህን what do you say about it እናያለን ማለት ነው። So activity before you listen to the listening activity, እስኪ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች እዩዋቸው። ሊሰን ካረጋችሁ በኋላ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች አንድ ላይ እንመልሳለን። The higher management of the Ministry of Agriculture and other stakeholders recently held discussion on the horticulture investment. Ethiopia had a great opportunity for horticulture development due to the affordable One of the major focus area of the recent discussion was the huge potential in the sector and the performance of her. ስለዚህ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ፎከስ አድርገን ነው የምንመልሰው ማለት ነው። Right? So are you ready to listen to the text? Ready ናችሁ ለማዳመጥ? Great. Let's go on. Ethiopia diversifying export earners via horticulture sector competitiveness. This is our topic. The higher management of the Ministry of Agriculture and other stakeholders recently held discussion on options of expanding the horticulture investment and the national project of boosting avocado production in areas with potential and suitable climate. I'll repeat. Focus on your question, students. እንዴት አድርጋችሁ ሊስኒንግ አዳምጣችሁ ጥያቄዎችን እንደምትመልሱ ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ አለባችሁ። Okay? At the same time, I'll write you new words extracted from the listening text. The higher management of the Ministry of Agriculture and other stakeholders recently held discussion on options of expanding the horticulture investment and the national project of boosting avocado production in areas with potential and suitable climate. Ethiopia has great opportunity for the horticulture development due to the favorable climate condition, fertile soil, huge irrigation potential, and affordable manpower. I'll repeat. Ethiopia has great opportunity for agriculture development due to the affordable climate condition, fertile soils, huge irrigation potential, and affordable manpower. Are you following the listening text? Great. Next. The sector has attracted a significant amount of domestic and foreign investment. Ethiopia's horticulture producers have had also chance to penetrate into the international market in the past 2 decades. One of the major focus areas of the recent discussion was the way of tapping the huge potential in the sector and the performance so far. It was also mentioned on the occasion that there are a number of natural socio-economic enabling factors that give the horticulture sector competitive and advantages in the international market. Besides, the abundant potential, the geographical proximity of the country to major international markets such as the Middle East in Europe puts the country in advantageous position. I will repeat this one. One of the major focus areas of the recent discussion was way of tapping the huge potential in the sector and the performance so far. It was also mentioned on the occasion that there are a number of natural and socio-economic enabling factors that can give the horticulture sector competitive advantages in the international market. Besides the abundant potential, the geographical proximity of the country to major international markets such as Middle East and Europe put the country in advantageous position. Next one. The sector is one of the 5 largest contributors of export income in 2018-19, earned $315.14 million US. In this regard, floriculture and the expanding vegetable, fruits, and herbs subsector contributed 79% and 21% of the export revenue respectively. During the time, the horticulture sector has created some 200,000 jobs. I will repeat. The sector is one of the 5 largest contributors of export. In 2018-19, earned $315.14 million US. In this regard, for floriculture and the expanding vegetable, fruits, and herbs subsectors contributed 79% and 21% of the export revenue respectively. During that time, the horticulture sector has created some 200,000 jobs. In addition, the fact that Ethiopia Airlines gives a standardized cargo service is another factor that is attractive for investors to invest in the lucrative sector. What does lucrative mean? What does lucrative? You can write here. Lucrative. Lucrative. ይህንን ትረዳላችሁ? Lucrative means, I'll give you a letter actually. Currently, Ethiopia has over 57 cargo and 101 passenger destinations around the world. The government also provides investors in this sector with a number of incentives, including tax exemption. Tax exemption, what does it mean? Tax. This is any word for you. Tax exemption. What is the meaning here? And duty-free importation of machinery, construction materials, spare parts, raw materials, and vehicles. The government has also facilitated loan access. The government also facilitated loan access. What does loan means? I think you know this one. From the Development Bank of Ethiopia and access to land supply for free whose lease extends up to 30 years. This is all about the listening text. I think you listened well. Is that okay? Now let's see some words extracted from your listening text. So here is the Meaning of the word extracted. What is lucrative production is? Lucrative, profitable. Profitable, or remunerative. Remunerative or profitable ማለት ነው. According to the government of Ethiopia aims to increase lucrative products, means profitable products, or remunerative ትርፋማ የሆኑ ተክሎችን ወይም ሆርቲካልቸር ኢንክሪዝ ማድረግ ኤግዛምፕሽን ሪዳክሽን የኢትዮጵያ መንግስት ኤግዛምፕሽን ኦፍ ታክስስ ብለናል አይደለ? ሪዳክሽን ኦፍ ታክስስ ሪዳክሽን ወይም ምንድን ነው የታክስ ቅነሳ ማድረግ። ኤግዛምፕሽን ሚንስ ሪዳክሽን። affordable means affordable, low cost or low price ማለት ነው። በቀላሉ ወጪ መሸፈን የሚቻልበት affordable እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። So these are the words extracted from your listening text. So the higher management of the Ministry of Agriculture and other stakeholders recently held discussion on ምንድን ነው የተረዳችሁት? ቅድም አይ ቲንክ እያዳመጣችሁ ይሄን እንደጻፋችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። options of expanding አይደለ? options of expanding. So this is the right answer. So options of expanding. You can see I read you in the first paragraph of the listening text. Question number 2. Ethiopia has a great opportunity for horticulture development due to the favorable ቅድም ለምንድን ነው ኢትዮጵያ የተመረጠችው? ፌቨራብል የሆነችው ክላይማት ኮንዲሽን፣ ፈርታይል ሶይል አይደለ? ሂውጅ ኢሪጌሽን ፖቴንሻል እሱን አንብቤላችኋለሁ። ስለዚህ ይሄንን አዳምጣችሁ እንደመለሳችሁ ተስፋ አረጋለሁ ማለት ነው። መጨረሻው ፓራግራፍ ያነበብኩላችሁ the government of Ethiopia has also facilitated dash from the Development Bank of Ethiopia loan access. Yeah, number 5 you can say loan access. ይሄ ብድርን ማመቻቸት ይመለከታል ማለት ነው። so loan access, this is the right answer. Next, it's better to see directly reading skills from your text. ከቴክስታችሁ ላይ reading እናያለን ማለት ነው። So the act of gardening goes back thousands of years. Gardening ወይም የአትክልት ስራ እንግዲህ thousands of years እንደተሻገረ ያሳየናል ማለት ነው። health benefits of gardening. what are the health benefits? እሱን እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው ተማሪዎቹ። እንግዲህ good, let me read you the paragraph together. The act of gardening goes back to thousands of years. If gardens are beautiful to look at, imagine the pride and sense of accomplishment that the creator of such beauty can feel. እንግዲህ ጋርደኒንግ ቢዩቲ ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። ራሱን የቻለ ጤንነት ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ መንገድ ልትረዱት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። according to the passage. Numerous, what does now? Let me give you numerous. According to what do you guess from the context? Numerous studies have been undertaken which show that gardening offers many health related benefits. Numerous studies እንደሚያሳዩት, numerous means large number or a lot, according to a lot or dozens of studies እንደማለት ነው። ብዙ ጥናቶች እንደሚያሳዩት ማለት ነው። So you can see here the most obvious benefit of gardening is that it can be a great way to relieve stress. relieve ይሄንን በቀጥታ ጥያቄያችሁ ላይ ስላለ አልጽፍላችሁም ምናይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So one of the function of gardening is relieve stress, work, family commitment, and social engagement. What does engagement means? I think you learned this word so far. Are just some of the things that take up chunks of people's lives. What does chink means in this context, students? So chinks means thick mass. በጣም ከፍተኛ የሆነ ቁጥር ያሳያል ማለት ነው thick mass ማለት so this is the benefit of planting the garden and then caring for the garden offer the gardener a simple and inexpensive way to upwind the relax. So upwind and relax. It is a simple cost. Gardening ምንድነው? simple cost ነው። inexpensive ነው ወይም ውድ የሆነ ነገር አይደለም ማለት አትክልት ስትተክሉ so unwind and relax, you see. Another health related benefit of gardening is that when people do their garden they are getting exercise. Even activity as simple as gardening can contribute towards weight loss. ሌላው ክብደት መቀነስ ነው። it's exercise አይደለ ስንኮተኩት ስንንከባከብ it is the kind of sport. So gardening gets a person outdoors. What does outdoor means outside the house or open air ማለት ነው open air እንደማለት ነው open air that is outdoor. Exposed to natural air, refocused on pleasant activity. Focus እንድናረግ ያደርገናል according to the passage እንግዲህ ምንባቡ እንደሚያስረዳን. Gardening also offers a nutritional benefit to those who choose to plant in a vegetable garden. አትክልት ለሚመገቡ ሰዎች ደግሞ it's another opportunity, right? Creating vegetable garden is a way of ensuring that there is a continuous supply of fresh vegetables to consume. Vegetable gardeners know exactly where their produce is coming from, and they also know exactly what chemicals were used to grow the produce. ከየት እንደሚመጡ ምን አይነት ኬሚካል እንደተጠቀሙ ጋርደነሮች ያውቃሉ። Eating more vegetables, especially homegrown vegetables, is a simple way to ensure that the body is getting proper balance of vitamins and nutrients. የተመጣጠነ ምግብና ቪታሚን እንድናገኝ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው ተማሪዎች. And finally some studies even report that people who are exposed to gardening recover more quickly from illness. ከአትክልት ጋር የተገናኙ ሰዎች ብዙ ጊዜ ከህመማቸው ቶሎ ይፈወሳሉ ይላል ጥናቶች የሚያሳዩ ነው። It seems that for many people gardening is just what the doctor ordered. Gardening is just what the doctor ordered. እንደ ሐኪም ትእዛዝ ይቆጠራል ጥቅም ስላለው። ጋርደን can be a creative experience as well. creative experience ነው። አንዳንድ ጊዜ በክሬቲቭ አድርገን ጋርደንን መስራት እንችላለን አይደለ? በተለያየ ቅርጻታችሁ ታውቃላችሁ ከተማ ላይ አይደለ? So creative, it is one thing to throw some seeds down then wait to see what grows. ጥበብ ነው በራሱ አንድ ጋርደን መሬት ውስጥ ተቀብሮ እንደገና ሲወጣ በራሱ ምንድነው ክሬቲቭ ነው። ማስዋብ እንችላለን ካደገ በኋላ አይደለ? እንደምታውቁት wall gardening does not require the participant have a degree in landscape architecture. A bite of planting will go a long way towards enhancing the beauty in the garden experience overall. While gardening does not require the participant have a degree in landscape architect ሊሆን አይገባም ወይም ዲግሪ ሊኖረን ምንም ችግር የለውም። So any kind of so any human being can garden the gardening work, yeah. And finally, the act of gardening teaches people that art of being patient. Unlike other activities, gardening does not produce instantaneous results. ምንድነው አይቸኩልም የጋርደኒንግ ስራ ነው የሚለን አይደለ? ትግስት ይፈልጋል። ለምሳሌ አንድ ፕላንት ተክላችሁ አንድ ወር ሊፈጅ ይችላል፣ አንድ አመት 2 አመት ሊፈጅ ይችላል አይደለ? So you can be patient መታገስ ያስፈልጋል። So it's better to be patient because it is not instantaneous work. instantaneous አይደለም ማለት ነው። Who takes up gardening must wait for the tourists, cut the flowers and vegetables, bring them inside and enjoy the sense of accomplishment that is gained from the benefit rich activity called gardening. ስለዚህ ይሄንን በዚህ እንጨርሳለን ማለት ነው ተማሪዎች። And now better to see vocabulary and new words directly underlined in the passage. Passageaችሁ ላይ relieve, unwind, contribute, consume, enhancing and instantaneous የሚሉትን እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው። in addition to this እነዚህ ቀደም የተወሰዱ ናቸው ማለት ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ከቴክስታችሁ relieve paragraph 2 line 4 ይሄንን immediately በደንብ ቼክ ማድረግ አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። paragraph 2 line 4 ይሄንን ቁጠሩት። 1 2 paragraph 2 ይሄ ነው በቁጥር ይቀመጣሉ። አንዳንዴ paragraph አንዳንዴ ላይ ጻፍ ይችላል፣ ግን ክፍተቱን እንደ አንድ እንትን መቁጠር ትችላላችሁ። this is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2 line 4 1 2 3 4 one a great use of gardening is relieve stress ይላል። ስትረስን relieve ለማድረግ ነው። so what does relieve means? Relieve, number 1, relieve stress. Relieve stress. ስለዚህ ኮንቴክስቹዋሊ ነው የምንመልሰው። ስትረስን ሪሊቭ ያደርጋል፣ ሬዲዩስ ያደርጋል ለማለት ነው። ወይም ሬዲዩስ ማለት ትችላላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ሬዲዩስ አቮይድ ኦር አቮይድ ሊያስወግድልን ይችላል ማለት ነው። ሪሊፍ ኦር አቮይድ። አያችሁት? ኮንቴክስቹዋሊ በደንብ ማየት መቻል አለብን ማለት ነው። ለዚህ ነው በፍጥነት የነገርኳቸው። ፓራግራፍ 2 ላይን 8 አሁን ፓራግራፍ 2 ላይን 8 ላይ እንሄዳለን። ላይን 4 አይደለ? 4 5 6 7 8 አያችሁት? a simple and inexpensive way to unwind and relax. So you know what is the technique of guessing vocabulary? አንዱ vocabulary guess ስታደርጉ አንዱ ሜተድ ምንድነው? ሁለት ወርዶች በኤንድ ኦር ከተያዙ ምንድነው? unwind means relax ራሱ ይሆናል። unwind number 2 ፈታ ማለት unwind this is relax. So if two words are connected or an and or ከተያዙ they have similar meaning ይኖራቸዋል። እሺ ለሌላ ጊዜ similar meaning ይኖራቸዋል። so less tense ማለት ነው። less tense ውጥረት መቀነስ unwind ካለ ነው። ኦኬ ይሄንን መረዳት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው ተማሪዎች። next one contribute means to impact, and now I'll give you the words. This is impact. Contribute, impact ማለት ነው። number 4 consume ምንድነው? ይሄኛው consume የተለያየ engulf ሊሆን ይችላል, or it has different meaning. Eat in this context, eat. The preferable choice is eat here is number 5 enhancing ዲጋ contribute የሚለው ዲጋ ማየት ትችላላችሁ ምንባባችሁ ላይ ማለት ነው። enhancing vegetable to consume ይላል። to eat እንደማለት ነው። engulf to eat ይሄን ስላየን ነው። number 5 will go a long way towards enhancing the beauty. enhance increase እንደማለት ነው። increase okay enhance beauty ውበትን ይጨምራል እንደማለት ነው። instantaneous another one is number 6 instantaneous quick. this is quick. gardening ስራ ምንድነው? it is not gardening does not produce instantaneous results. instantaneous የሆነ ሪዛልት የለውም። we should be patient ይላል አይደለ? should be patient። ስለዚህ patient መሆን አለብን። it's not a quick work or it is not immediate አይደለም እንደማለት ነው። okay immediate. so instantaneous in this context means it's not quick, it's not immediate. So instantaneous means quick or immediate. This is the vocabulary text from your reading text. እንግዲህ ይሄ vocabulary ከቴክስታችሁ የተወሰደ ነው ማለት ነው። great job students. Now let's move vocabulary development. Here is vocabulary taken from the passage. Soon እናያለን. Before that እንግዲህ vocabulary ምን አይነት ነው? It's a kind of prefix. Prefixes ባለፈው አይተናል. To revise prefix remind ላርጋችሁ. Prefix means letter or s letters that is added at the beginning of the bad word, right? ከቤዝ ወርዳችን መጀመሪያ ላይ የሚመጣ ምንድነው ብለናል? kind of letter or letters, a group of letters or letter that is added at the beginning of a word. መጀመሪያ ላይ የሚጨመር ምንድነው ማለት ነው? prefix ብለን እንጠራዋለን ማለት ነው students. Now let's see the first one. X. What is the meaning? X means it has different meaning ይኖረዋል። X ማለት former ለማለት ነው። For example, ex-president የኛው ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? Example, Biden የአሜሪካው ፕሬዚዳንት ኤክስ ፕሬዚደንት እንለዋለን። ኤክስ ፕሬዚደንት ወይም የቀድሞው እንደማለት ነው። Another one, X means out. It has different meaning. X means out ማለት ነው። So existential formal ማለታችን ነው። X means out ማለታችን ነው። Example, extra, X-ray, extension, elongate እንደማለት ነው እዚህኛው ጋር። ስለዚህ ትርጉማቸውን በደንብ ማወቅ አለባችሁ። ፕሪፊክስ ያው ባለፈው ስለተማራችሁ ዲቴይል አናወራም። So miss means ill or wrong. ባለፈው ነግሬያቸዋለሁ። What does miss means? For example, misunderstand. Mistake. Take እናደርጋለን but wrongly. Mistake. Okay. Misrepresent. የሆነ ነገር ሪፕሬዘንት ታደርጋላችሁ ትወክላላችሁ but wrongly. Yeah. Misrepresent means you present something wrongly. That is the meaning of word. Another one is maybe this is pre ምን ማለት ነው? pre የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። pre means ዲጋ የተሰጠውን አብረን እናያለን ተማሪዎች። pre means before ማለት ነው። So ለምሳሌ pre-writing ቅድመ ጽሁፍ፣ ለምሳሌ pre-election፣ ለምሳሌ pre-writing ልንል እንችላለን ማለት ነው። prehistoric ወይም ቅድመ ሂስትሪ ወይም ቅድመ ታሪክ እንደማለት ነው አይደል? ይሄንን ታውቁታላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። So another example is pre-war. Here still we are talking about pre-war. Yeah. ስለዚህ ቅድመ ማለት ነው ከዛ በፊት እንደማለት ነው። before ማለት ነው። ስለ pre-election, prehistoric እነዚህ የመሳሰሉት ኤግዛምፕል ልትሰጡት ትችላላችሁ። re means again. Yeah. re means again. re ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? እዚህ ጋር find the meaning of the following prefixes and give the examples for each ነው የሚለው። ኤግዛምፕል እንሰጣለን ማለት ነው። ለዛ ነው እየሰራን ያለ ነው ተማሪዎች። So research ታውቃላችሁ? research search again ማለት ነው። ኦኬ። እንደገና ደግሞ rewrite፣ ቅድም pre-writing ካለን ይሄኛው ደግሞ write it again. in needs rewrite ከተባላችሁ ለምሳሌ ኮሜንት ላይ የምጽፉን ነገር you are expected to rewrite ከተባላችሁ write again ማለት ነው። rewrite. Another one is reconsider. Revise ልናደርግ እንችላለን። ስለዚህ እነዚህ የመሳሰሉት ኤግዛምፕሎች ምንድናቸው ማለት ነው? እንደ ፕሪፊክስ እንጠቀምባቸዋለን ማለት ነው። so means again. Another one is sum up. እንደገና ማጠቃለል resum up ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። so when you say it means again. ስትሉ ሁልጊዜም again መሆኑን different context መረዳት መቻል አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። great. sub means sub. here is sub topic ልንል እንችላለን። sub it has different partial እንደማለት sub means partial ሊሆን ይችላል። ሰብ ቶፒክ ካለን ንዑስ እንደማለት ነው። ሰብ ፓርሻል እንደማለት ነው። ግን በዚህ ኮንቴክስት ሰብ አንደር ሊሆን ይችላል። አንደር የሚል ትርጉም ሊኖረው ይችላል ተማሪዎች። ኦኬ ሶ ሰብስታንዳርድ ከስታንዳርድ በታች ነው ማለት። ሰብ ሂውመን ከሰው በታች የሆነ ሰው እንግዲህ ኤግዛምፕል ነው የምነግራችሁ። ሰብ ሂውመን ከዛ ስታንዳርድ በታች በሀሳብ ማለት ነው። ማሰብ ሰብሳሃራ ካንትሪ ሲባል ሰምታችሁ ታውቃላችሁ አይደል? ሰብሳሃራ ካንትሪስ ከሰሃራ በታች ሰብሳሃራ ግን another meaning of sub means partial. እዚህኛው ጋር or half part of something or part of something ለማለት እንጠቀምበታለን፣ እንዳትረሱት እሺ። ለምሳሌ ሰብ ቶፒክ ካልኳችሁ ሰብ ቶፒክ ልንል እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ሰብ ቶፒክ ሊባል ይችላል። ስለዚህ ተማሪዎች ይህንን በደንብ አስተውሉ። ሰብ means under, ሰብ means partial or part of something። ለምሳሌ ንዑስ ርዕስ እንደማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ በዚህ Unit 5, let's say Unit 5 ምንድን ነው? ሆርቲካልቸር ነው አይደል? ሆርቲካልቸር ነው። ሰብ ቶፒካችን ምንድን ነው? ለምሳሌ ፕሪፊክስ this is our topic. prefix this is subtopic. understand? subtopic። ስለዚህ ይህንን በደንብ መረዳት መቻል አለባችሁ። Great. Now we are coming to a grammar, second conditional and third conditional sentences. Second conditional የሚለውን እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው። What is grammar part? Second conditional grammar ገባን ማለት ነው። grammar second conditional sentence. second conditional ምንድነው? ባለፈው አይተናል። conditional sentence means something depends on something else. The first example for you, if I met him for example ነው የነገርኳችሁ ያለሁት። we would have lunch together. This is conditional sentence. What kind of conditional sentence? This is second conditional normal. If I met him, we would have lunch together. So meaning we have 50-50 probability. 50-50 ፕሮባቢሊቲ ወይም 50-50 ነው የመሆን እድሉ ማለት ነው። አላገኘሁትም ብንገናኝ ምሳ እንበላ ነበር but still you have a chance to get him to have a lunch together እሱ ነው ትርጉም። ኦኬ ስለዚህ ፎርም if clause ምንድነው? simple past and main clause present conditional ነው ማለት ነው ተማሪዎች። ስለዚህ ሁለት አይነት ክሎዞች አሉ the if clause and main clause ባለፈ ኢንትሮዲዩስ ስላደረኳችሁ እሱን በደንብ። ስለዚህ conditional sentence type 2 ላይ ስትመጡ there is the if clause, there is a main clause. The if clause is simple past, the main clause is present conditional or would and the one or the main verb as it is without change እሱን ነው ማለት ነው የምትመለከቱት። ስለዚህ ይሄንን እንመልከተው እስኪ መጽሐፋችሁ ውስጥ ያለውን if we would stay at home if it snowed here is main clause ላይ ያለውን እናያለን። main clause ስለዚህ main clause ምንድነው? if clause don't forget if main clause comes at the beginning no comma if the if clause comes at the beginning you can separate it in comma በኮማ መለየት ትችላላችሁ ተማሪዎች። so here is if it is cold ይላል እዚህኛው ጋር ኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ ታይፕ 1 ባለፈ ያየነው ነው። would stay together would stay ይሄኛው ደግሞ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? would stay if it snowed you see snowed simple past tense ነው። ይሄኛው ደግሞ present conditional ነው ማለት ነው። so what does mean 50-50 probability ያለን እና ያለን እዚህኛው ጋር so here is if I were you I would accept the offer. what does mean ይህን ትርጉም እንመለከታለን ተማሪዎች። if I were you አሁን conditional sentence two type አለን there are two kind of conditional type type 2 number 1a there is probably improbably ሆኖ ነው for example if I studied I would score better result. here you have 50-50 probability እዚህኛው ጋር 50-50 probability ይኖራቸዋል ማለት ነው ተማሪዎች። if I studied that means I didn't study ማለት ነው but still you have a chance to study. that is why we call it 50-50 probability. but number 2 imaginary የምንለው አለ imaginary condition እንለዋለን። በዚህ still it is type 2 imaginary condition. if I were but the normal structure of the subject verb agreement should be I was ነው አይደል የምንለው። imaginary በሐሳብ ሲሆን ግን I were እንላለን። was changes to were if it is imaginary. እስኪ if I were you I would accept the offer. ኤግዛምፕላችሁ ላይ ያየ ነው ቅድም accept the offer. what does it mean if I were you do we have a chance to be someone else የመሆን probability ይኖረናል ተማሪዎች? not yet impossible አይኖረንም አይደል? so what does mean so I'm not you ማለት ነው። if I were you ማለት እኔ አንተም በሆን ስጦታውን ቀበል ነበር ማለት ነው። let me add you another example. if I were a lion so here is a lion, I would be ስትራክቸራቸው ተመሳሳይ ነው። እዚህኛው ጋር ልዩነቱ ምንድነው? ኢማጂነሪ ሲሆን ምንድነው? ዌር ይሆናል። በማን ቦታ? was በሚለው ቦታ ዌር ይሆናል። if I were a lion, I would be the king of the jungle. king of the jungle. እኔ አንበሳ በሆን ምን ሆን ነበር? የጫካ ንጉስ ሆን ነበር። but is that possible? It is impossible. This is imaginary. በሐሳብ ነው okay? Sorry, I ጨምሩበት እዚህ ጋር if I were a lion, I would be the king of the jungle means I'm sorry, I'm not a lion, so it is impossible to be the king of the jungle. The meaning is meaning I am not a lion, and impossible to be a lion. Impossible, yeah? Impossible to be a lion. But imaginary. That is imaginary. ይሄኛው ጋር ሌሎች ድርጊቶች ሲሆኑ ኢንኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ ቱ ላይ ሌሎች ድርጊቶች ሲሆኑ ለምሳሌ if I studied I would score a better mark, that is a probability. ምን ማለት ነው? ኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ ቱ ላይ አላደረግንም አንድ ነገር but you have 50-50 probability የማድረግ እድሉ ግን አላችሁ። that is the meaning is word. Let me give you another example. If I were a bird, if I were a bird, I would fly. This is conditional sentence type 2. This is imaginary too. Imaginary no ይሄኛው. So what does it mean? What does it mean? If I were a bird, it means, do you have a chance to be a bird? ወፍ የመሆን እድል አለ? If I were a bird ካለን ምንድነው? ወፍ በሆን በር ነበር አይነት ነው አይደለ? If I were a bird. So it is impossible to fly because you have no chance at all to be a bird, yeah? I'm not bird here. I'm not bird. So can't fly. This is the meaning, okay? ትርጉማቸው ይሄን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። Meaning, this is the meaning. So to sum up, summary ይህን sum up ስናደርገው ምንድነው? ኢንትሮዳክሽን ነው እየነገርኳችሁ ያለው ስለ ኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ 2. ኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ 2 if clause ምን አለው ማለት ነው? ሲምፕል ፓስት ይሆናል ተማሪዎች። ሜን ክሎዙ ደግሞ ፕሬዘንት ኮንዲሽናል or would and the verb ባጭሩ ለእናንተ እንዲገባችሁ would and the verb would እና verb ይሆናል ማለት ነው። This is a structure. When it comes to the meaning, if it is action, simply action ከሆነ probability ይኖረናል። 50-50 probability ይኖራል። But if you use where you have no probability, it is imaginary. እና imaginary ተብሎ በሁለት imaginary ይሄኛውን በደንብ እዩት እሺ። imaginary የሚለው በሐሳብ ነው። ወፍ በሆን በር ነበር እኔ አንተም በሆን but I'm not you. If I were you, I would accept the offer means I'm sorry, I'm not you, so I can't get the offer ማለት ነው። I'm not you. If I were you, I wouldn't say such bad word. ለምሳሌ እኔ አንተም በሆን ይሄንን bad word አልጠቀም but you use because I am not you. Even I have no chance to be you ማለት ነው። Okay? And well then students, this is all about today's topic. Today we discussed main points about Unit 5, then introduction. To recap main points from the lesson, we discussed a lot about meaning of words extracted from the listening text and reading from your textbook. Another one is a prefix, that's the revision of the prefix in my channel. Another one is we highlighted the introduction of conditional sentence type 2. That is type 2. It indicates simply we have 50-50 probability to do something or not to do something. But when it is imaginary, we have no probability at all. Imaginary ከሆነ if I were ብለን ከጀመረን it is not real but it is imaginary በሐሳብ የምናደርገው ነው ማለት ነው። This is all about today's topic. Bye bye until next time, students.